Items on the Readiness Manager grid can be completed a couple of different ways, depending upon what kind of item it is. This video will show you how to complete each type of item through the Readiness Manager grid. Keep in mind that if a task is assigned to a reservation, it will not be available to mark as complete until the reservation it has been assigned to has been checked in and checked out. Once the reservation has been checked out, under the Action column, you will see a green check mark. Clicking on this icon will complete the task, changing its status to complete. Here I have the Readiness Manager grid showing only tasks with a due status. For the items that are associated with the reservation, I simply need to click on the green check mark. This will update the status to complete and will remove it from my list of items that are due to be completed today. Items that display on the Readiness Manager grid that are tied to work orders, whether it's a housekeeping work order or a maintenance work order, must have the work order itself completed in order for the item status to be updated to complete. You can either complete the work order by going to the work order through either the housekeeping or maintenance modules, or you can go through the Readiness Manager grid and access the work order here. If it is a housekeeping work order, click on the bell. This will take us into the work order where we can change the status to completed and click Save. Refreshing the grid will remove that item from it. And if it's a maintenance work order, we need to click on the wrench, go into the work order, mark it as completed, enter the completion date, and click Save. When the grid is updated, this task will also now be removed because it is no longer due today. Please contact the Help Desk if you have a question about completing an item in Readiness Manager, either by entering a ticket or by sending an email to help@vrmgr.com. Thank you.